Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are constantly looking for a reliable internet connection while on the go, today's video is for you. We are looking at exactly how to use the Instabridge WiFi Hotspot Map to get free, secure Wi-Fi wherever you are. Instabridge isn't just a standard network scanner. It is a massive community-driven platform sharing access to over 20 million secure Wi-Fi networks globally. It does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Here is how to use it. First, download the Instabridge app and open it. Once inside, you will immediately see the main map interface. The map displays nearby hotspots as pins. Tap on any pin to view detailed statistics, such as the network's current speed, popularity, and reliability. You will immediately know which networks actually work. To get online, just walk within range of a highly rated pin. Instabridge will automatically connect your device to the network. There is no need to manually type in long, complicated passwords. For the best experience, always download your area's offline map ahead of time. This guarantees you can find a hotspot later, even if you run completely out of mobile data. It really is that straightforward. Open the map, find a trusted pin, and auto-connect. If this guide helped you stay connected, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next video.